Okay, we end up installing the shock sensor add-on with the text alert on this 2016 Ford Mustang. Basically, customer didn't want to carry another fob around, so we incorporated the shock sensor. And if anybody tries to bust out the nut locks, leave the car in full bricks, break any window, that will fire off the factory alarm, and she'll get a push notification in her phone within seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass, show you guys. There's the push notification that came in, just letting you know that the alarm was triggered by shock sensor. So basically, any banging around the vehicle, they try to vandalize the car, it will fire off the alarm. Anywhere in the United States, she'll get a text message. In fact, anywhere in the world, she'll get a push notification. And it comes with GPS from the app. You can track the car in case it gets towed at any particular location. You're able to track it and send the police out. This shock sensor text alert add-on to protect the rims and tires and the airbag in this particular vehicle. It's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.